Hey, it happens. If you need to delete your Google Analytics account, I'll show you how. Whenever you want to delete a Google Analytics account, you have to be logged in order to do so. If you're logged in correctly, you'll see a screen that looks something like this. If you see something that more resembles your analytics dashboard, you're going to want to click on the cogwheel on the left-hand side. You're going to click on that, and you're going to want to make sure that you choose the account that you want to delete. In this example, we're going to choose I messed up. You're going to click on account settings, and then you'll see a button that says move to trash. You're going to want to click on that. Once you get to the confirmation screen, just click on trash account and you will be done, and the account will be deleted. But if you do this as a mistake, I'm going to also show you how to get it back. After you trash something, you have an icon here that says trash can. All right. Sometimes it may take a little bit of time for it to show up, but if it doesn't, just hit the refresh button on the left-hand side of your browser. And then make sure you select the account that you want to restore. So let's restore I messed up. Click on trash can. And then here, you'll have the ability to restore it back. On the right-hand side, you'll finally see when the account will be deleted. Now, why does Google give you 30 days or so in order to delete it? Because they want to make sure that if you do this by mistake, you're able to restore it. So to restore the account, you're going to click here. You're going to hit restore. And the account, after about a minute or so, will go back to being active. Again, if the account is set to be trashed, Google will automatically delete it. So you don't have to worry about going back in there to do so. That's it. That's how you delete a Google Analytics account. I hope that was helpful.